Albert Einstein, the man whose name became a synonym for genius. The physicist who reshaped the universe with his theory of relativity and who gave us the famous equation EMC2. But hidden behind his calm, intelligent eyes was a mystery that even he couldn't solve. A paradox that haunted him for decades. A riddle of the quantum world. A world that seemed to break all the rules of common sense, where particles could exist in two places at once, communicate across vast distances, and behave as if they had minds of their own. Einstein loved logic. He loved certainty. But quantum mechanics? It was something entirely different. A new reality that defied everything he believed about science. It all began in the early 1900s. While Einstein was busy formulating relativity, describing how space and time bend and stretch, other physicists were diving deep into the strange world of atoms. They discovered that when you go small enough down to electrons and photons, the world stops behaving like anything we know. Instead of moving predictably, particles acted randomly. They could behave like waves or particles depending on how you looked at them. Sometimes, just observing them changed their behavior. It was as if nature itself refused to reveal its secrets fully. Einstein couldn't accept that. He once said, "God does not play dice with the universe." To him, physics was about finding order in chaos, rules behind randomness. But quantum mechanics said that at the deepest level, nature is fundamentally uncertain. There's no way to predict what will happen next. Only probabilities. You can never know both the position and speed of a particle at the same time. That was the famous uncertainty principle. For Einstein, that wasn't a law of nature. That was a sign that our understanding was incomplete. He believed there must be some hidden variables, unseen rules, that would make sense of this apparent randomness. In the 1920s, a new generation of physicists rose to challenge him. Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, and Erwin Schrödinger, names that would become legends, defended quantum mechanics with passion. Bohr argued that Einstein's insistence on certainty was outdated. He said reality isn't what we think it is until we measure it. Until you look, a particle isn't in one state or another. It's in all possible states at once, a phenomenon we now call superposition. Einstein found this absurd. He mocked the idea with what became known as Einstein's box, or the thought experiment. He would say, "So, are you telling me the moon isn't there when no one is looking at it?" To him, the world had to exist independently of our observation, but quantum theory kept proving itself right. Experiments after experiments showed that light and matter behaved exactly as the equations predicted, even if no one could truly explain why. The more Einstein resisted it, the stranger it became. And then, in 1935, Einstein tried to solve the riddle once and for all.